Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something that's on every bettor's mind right now. Hard Rock Bet promo codes for 2026 that actually work. We're going step by step so you can claim the best offers without any hassle, avoid common mistakes and maximize your chances of turning that bonus into real cash. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we cover the hottest sports betting promos, strategies and app reviews every single week. Let's get right into it. Picture this, it's 2026, sports betting is bigger than ever, and Hard Rock Bet stands out as one of the most exciting platforms available in select states across the US. Whether you're into NFL, NBA, college football, soccer, or even casino games, Hard Rock Bet brings the rockstar energy with great odds, a slick app, and some seriously attractive welcome offers for new users.
But here's the thing that surprises a lot of people searching for Hard Rock Bet promo codes. You don't actually need a special code in most cases. The platform is designed so that new bettors automatically get the best available sign-up bonus for their region just by signing up through the right links. No secret codes, no missing out because you type something wrong. That's huge because it takes away one of the biggest frustrations in online betting. Let me break down exactly what the current standout offer looks like in 2026. The headline promo that keeps coming up across reliable sources is the bet $5, get $150 in bonus bets if your first bet wins. That's right, you make a minimum deposit, usually around $10 or more, place a $5 or higher cash bet on pretty much any market, and if that bet hits, boom, $150 in bonus bets land in your account. It's a low-risk way to get started because your downside is limited, while the upside gives you plenty of play money to explore the site. This offer is available to new customers only, 21 plus, in eligible states like Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, New Jersey, Ohio, Tennessee, Virginia, and a few others depending on local regulations. Always double check availability in your area because gambling laws change and geolocation is strictly enforced. Now, why does this promo stand out in 2026? First, the risk is minimal. You're not forced to wager hundreds right away. Second, bonus bets give you flexibility. You can spread them across different games, parlays, or straight bets. Third, Hard Rock Bet's interface is intuitive on both mobile and desktop, so once you have those bonus funds, placing wagers feels smooth and professional. I've seen users turn that 150 into even bigger wins by being smart with their selections, focusing on value bets rather than chasing long shots every time. Let's walk through the exact step-by-step process so you don't miss anything. Start by making sure you're in an eligible state. Use a VPN? Don't even think about it. Hard Rock Bet uses advanced location services and will flag any suspicious activity, which could lead to account suspension. Open your mobile browser or head to the App Store. Search for the official Hard Rock Bet app. Download it directly from Apple or Google Play to avoid fake versions. Once installed, open the app and look for the Sign Up or Register button. It's usually prominent on the homepage. During registration, you'll enter basic info, your full name, date of birth to confirm you're 21 or older, email address, phone number, and mailing address. You'll also need to provide the last 4 digits of your social security number for identity verification. This is standard KYC stuff required by law in regulated states. Take your time here and make sure every detail matches your official documents exactly. Any mismatch can delay verification. After submitting, you might get a verification code via text or email. Enter it promptly. No promo code field will pop up because Hard Rock Bet doesn't operate that way. The best offer applies automatically when you use trusted links or the official app. That's why I always recommend clicking through reputable review sites or direct partner links. It ensures you get the maximum welcome package without hunting for expired codes. Next up, the deposit. Head to the cashier section. Hard Rock Bet supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, bank transfers, and sometimes even cash at partnered Hard Rock locations, if you're near one. The minimum deposit for the welcome offer is typically $10. Choose an amount you're comfortable with. Remember,
Responsible gambling is key. Only deposit what you can afford to play with. Once the funds hit your account, which is usually instant for most methods, you're ready to place that qualifying bet. Pick your first wager carefully. It needs to be at least $5 on real money, not using any existing bonus. You can bet on anything from player props to game totals to futures, but make sure it meets the terms. Most sources say the bet just needs to win. If it does, the 150 in bonus bets credits shortly after settlement. Bonus bets usually come with their own rules. For example, they might need to be used within 7 days, and any winnings from them are yours as cash after the stake is deducted. Always read the fine print in the promotions tab. What if your first bet loses? Don't worry too much. The offer is structured around that win condition, but Hard Rock Bet often has other ways to keep new users engaged, like ongoing boosts, profit boosts, or casino cross promos. Speaking of the casino side, Hard Rock Bet also has a strong online casino platform in some states. New players there can sometimes unlock hundreds of bonus spins on popular slots like Cash Eruption, plus up to $1,000 back on losses in the first 24 hours. Again, no promo code needed, just deposit $10 or more after signing up. Those spins are often released daily over 10 days, giving you sustained excitement. Let's talk strategy now, because claiming the promo is only half the battle. You want to make those bonus bets work for you. One smart approach is to diversify. Don't put all 150 on a single high-risk parlay. Split it into 3 or 4 smaller bets across different sports or markets where you have an edge. For example, if you're an NFL expert, focus on overs or unders with good research. Use data, stats, and line movement. Hard Rock Bet's odds are competitive, so shop around if you have multiple books, but for now, focus on value here. Another tip, keep an eye on the promotions page inside the app. Hard Rock Bet rotates offers regularly. You might find daily profit boosts, parlay insurance, same-game parlay bonuses, or loyalty rewards tied to their Unity program, or whatever their current player rewards are called. Existing users can also benefit from refer-a-friend deals, where both parties get bonus bets after a qualifying deposit and bet. Some referrals give up to $50 each. Sharing your unique link responsibly can add extra value. Common mistakes to avoid. First, signing up without being in an eligible state or using a restricted account. Second, depositing less than required or placing a bet below the minimum. Third, forgetting to check the expiration on bonus bets. Those funds won't sit around forever. Fourth, chasing losses with the bonus. Treat it as fun money to extend your playtime. Fifth, not verifying your account fully. This can block withdrawals later. Always complete any ID upload if prompted. Now let's expand on the user experience. The Hard Rock Bet app scores high marks for speed and design. Live betting is seamless, with quick updates and cash-out options on many markets. The casino section integrates nicely if you want to switch between sports and slots. Customer support is available via chat, email, or phone, and they respond fairly quickly for a betting site. Payouts are reliable, though processing times vary by method. E-wallets are fastest. For 2026 specifically, keep an eye on major events. During NFL playoffs, March Madness, or big soccer tournaments, Hard Rock Bet often layers on extra promotions, like boosted odds or no-sweat bets. Signing up early positions you to take advantage of those seasonal boosts. If you're in a state with both Sportsbook and casino, you can enjoy the full ecosystem. Imagine using your sports bonus wins to fuel some slot spins, or vice versa. Responsible gambling reminder. This is entertainment, not a job. Set deposit limits, time limits, and loss limits right in the app. Hard Rock Bet has solid tools for this, including self-exclusion if needed. Resources like 1-800-GAMBLER are there if things feel out of control. Betting should enhance your sports enjoyment, not create stress. If the standard welcome offer isn't available in your area or has changed slightly by the time you watch this, the process remains similar. Always verify current terms directly in the app or on the official site. Promo details can evolve, but the no code required philosophy seems consistent. Beyond the welcome bonus, think long term. Build your bankroll smartly. Track your bets, review what works, and adjust. Join communities or follow sharp bettors for ideas, but always do your own homework. Hard Rock Bet's data and stats sections can help inform decisions. Wrapping up the steps one more time for clarity in your mind. 1. Download the app or visit the site. 2. Register with accurate info. 3. Deposit at least the minimum. 4. Place a qualifying $5 plus bet. 5. Win it to unlock the 150 bonus. 6. Use those bonus bets wisely within the time frame. 7. Explore the full platform and ongoing promos. 8. Withdraw winnings responsibly when ready. This approach has helped thousands of new users get off to a strong start in 2026. The combination of low entry barrier and solid bonus value makes Hard Rock Bet worth trying if it's legal where you live. If you have questions about specific states, markets, or strategies with the bonus bets, drop them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible or cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching this in-depth guide on Hard Rock Bet promo codes and offers that actually work. If it helped, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend who bets, and subscribe for more content like this. We've got upcoming reviews on other sportsbooks, betting systems, and big event previews. Until next time, bet smart, stay lucky, and rock on. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Hey, before you go, let me add some extra details many people overlook. When choosing that first bet, consider lower variance options like favourites with good juice or totals that align with weather or injury reports. For example, in basketball, player points props can offer value if you follow a team closely. In football, first half lines sometimes present softer numbers. Use the bonus to experiment safely. Also, understand how bonus bet winnings are taxed in your state. Keep records. Hard Rock Bet provides transaction history for easy reference.
If you hit a big one, celebrate, but plan for taxes if applicable.